Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a poll on your YouTube channel. Before the tutorial, make sure to check out our resources in the description below. Free YouTube ebooks, customizable YouTube checklists, exclusive software deals, free trial offers for YouTubers, and many more resources that help you grow your YouTube channel, build a business on it, and make more money from it. Now, back to the tutorial. Right, so if you want to create polls on your YouTube channel, you have to have your community tab enabled. And if you have less than 500 subscribers, unfortunately, your community tab is not enabled yet, because once you reach this 500 subscriber threshold, YouTube will automatically enable the community tab on your channel. But once you have your community tab, you can create community posts there, and one of the post type is poll, as I will show you right now. So all you have to do is open up YouTube Studio, so studio.youtube.com, then click on the create button here and select create post. And now we'll be redirected to this community tab, where, as you can see, you can either create regular posts, you can also upload videos as community posts, but you can also create polls here. As you can see, there are two types of polls. So you can create regular text polls, and as you can see, here is where you can add the question to the poll. And then here is where you can add option to the poll, where people will be able to vote on a specific answer to this poll question. As you can see, I have already added 5 options. This is the max currently, so you cannot add more than 5 answers to one YouTube community poll. So in this case, I could maybe replace YouTube with other category. So basically then every kind of social media platform is covered. Once you're done with the poll, all you have to do is click on create post, or you can also schedule the post as any other community post, and then select the exact date and time you want this community poll to go live on your YouTube channel. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. Links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel. Alright, if you found this free tutorial helpful, please like it, or you can also support us making more free videos by clicking on the thanks button. Any support is appreciated. Thanks.